Hey, what's up guys? Stamp778 here. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a homemade cardboard shield. In later videos I will do a sword and some other stuff that you guys might want, so put down in the comments below what you would like me to make with cardboard and stuff like that. So let's get right in. So you're going to need a hot glue gun, a stapler, and of course some cardboard. So you need the shape of your shield. This is the shape I chose. It's pretty thin still, and we're going to be adding on another layer to it, as so. Then we will, of course, hot glue it with our hot glue gun. So it'll stick down, and so it's better than regular glue, so that works pretty good. If you don't have a hot glue gun, of course, regular glue will work perfectly fine, but that's what I chose. We're going to need the handles, of course, too, so of course cut the handles out just like that. You can, of course, trim them like needed to fit your hands. Just make sure that your arms are able to go through them. So you can see that I trimmed them a bit. You can put them in a spot where you need them to be, and then, of course, hot glue them down. You can, of course, staple them down too as well, which I will be doing right now. But hot gluing them first down is always better. And of course do it to all four. So, of course, the stapler now. And if yours doesn't open up, oh well, honestly. Just make sure you get all four corners, I guess you could say, of the handles. And make sure they're really good. All nice down and tight, and then you can of course move them to accompany your arms so that your arm fits. So honestly that's pretty much it, guys. I'll be spray painting this later. That's all I have for you now. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.